Alright, so today what you guys are going to be learning is 1-point perspective, or just some basic boxes here. So all you need is a piece of paper, a pencil, and then a triangle. So the first thing that you need to do is you are going to make a horizon line. So I'm going to take my paper, take my triangle, and I'm going to make sure that the side of my triangle is right up against my paper. So it's completely lined up with my paper. That ensures that I get a nice straight line, and I'm going to make my horizon line. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put down a vanishing point. Just a little dot, could be off center. I just don't want to see it toward the ends of your paper. The second step that we're going to do is we're going to start to create our own boxes. Boxes are super easy to do. So the first step I'm going to have is I'm going to make 2 vertical lines. Again, I'm lining my bottom of my triangle with the bottom of my paper. That ensures I get nice straight lines. So 2 vertical lines, then 2 horizontal lines, just like that. Now if you have some excess lines here and here, you can just take your eraser and erase those little bits of line. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our endpoints to the vanishing point. This one right here, we're not going to take it to our vanishing point, because if I lined it up and took it to the vanishing point, it would go straight through the face of my box. I don't want that to happen. So what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to take the ends of my box all the way to the vanishing point. And I'm going to take my time and line everything up so it's nice and neat. A huge part of this is craftsmanship. This doesn't have a whole lot of artistic skill involved so far. So I took those points to the vanishing point, and now I'm going to cut off my box. So how I cut off my box is I need a horizontal and a vertical line. Well, what sides do I do what to? I'm going to look at this line here. That one is vertical, so I'm going to make a vertical cutoff. It doesn't matter how deep you cut it. You can make your box thin, you can make it thick, it's up to you. And then I'm going to make a horizontal line. Again, whenever I'm making a horizontal or a vertical line, always lining it up to the edge of my paper. Why? Because that ensures I get a nice straight line. So now I have my box cut off, and then all I have to do is erase my excess lines. And that's it. Make sure that you are drawing super light. Otherwise, you're going to get what's called ghost lines, where you can barely see the lines still. You want to draw as light as you can when drawing your boxes, because eventually we're going to be making more boxes and we're going to be overlapping those boxes in the future.